That one didn't turn out as good. Or that one. That's not bad. I can sharpen that up a little bit. Maybe that one. Ooh, that one turned out not too bad. They're never as good as I hope, but. Obviously, some of them I'm going to have to re-photograph some of them. That one looks good after I sharpen it, and so does that one. That one too. I'm kind of worried about this one. Maybe, but no, not really. That's the easiest. Just not. See, that looks good. That one looks good. I'm gonna try that one. That doesn't look too bad. Sharpen it up a little bit. That'll be okay. No, I have to redo that one. No, probably no, that one. Yeah. Okay, that's first Kings. Let's do second Kings. First off, make it bigger. Well, let's just. That one might be okay if I sharpen up a bit later. That one looks good. That one looks good too. I can sharpen that up a little bit of it. Okay, I got a little bit of a runny nose here going on. Now, some of these I can make better with sharpening, and some of them just I'm gonna have to reshoot. That one looked pretty good without doing any sharpening. That one looks good. No, I have to redo that one. That doesn't look too bad. No, I'm not gonna try that one. That doesn't look too bad. No. Yeah, see, that looks good. No, I have to redo that one too. And that one. This one I might be able to save. We'll see. Maybe. I don't know. Let's try it. Yeah. No, I'm going to photograph that one. It's amazing how this side, we're here, where it says 363. This side's in focus, and this side's out of focus. I mean, it's just that much, but it's. So several of these I'll have to rephotograph, obviously. I mean, some of them turned out good, so that's good. This is for the glory of the Lord. So until next time, I'm Randall and Ruth saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.